Doug, besides the profitability, what are the client's most unusual concerns when they contact you for the first time?
They're basically looking for a total solution, I think, to a compressed natural gas refueling station. Uh, there's a lot of different components involved that they're not real sure of, all the way from the construction process to the sizing of the equipment, to the amount of the dispensers that are involved. They have an idea if it's how many, the fleet, the trucks, how many that they're going to have, but they don't know if that takes 2 dispensers or 4 dispensers or big compressors or small compressors. So I think they're really looking for a total solution to a fueling station on compressed natural gas.
In what way is CNG Source different from the other CNG solutions vendors?
I think we're a little unique in that we not only provide what other companies do as far as the designing and sizing of the stations, but we actually manufacture the equipment. We package and manufacture the compressors, the dispensers, the valve panels. When we size the lines for the fueling of to the dispensers, it's based on our manufactured dispenser and how it's going to perform. So we make the equipment and then we design the station around our equipment. It's not a component from one source and another component from somebody else, and then someone tries to put it all together. So I think that makes us a little bit more unique in providing the equipment that we do.
How does CNG Source add value to the solutions and equipment provided to its customers?
I think part of our biggest value added portion for our equipment is our strong engineering background, the amount of engineering that we put into our product. We want it to be of very high quality, so that it's stands out a little bit more than just a standard off the shelf compressor or dispenser or different components. So, in order to have that quality, we got to have that high engineering value that goes with our equipment. A lot of our engineering and the quality that we want in the equipment comes from us, being able to test and research and put things into play into live station applications and then improve every time after that.
Can you share with us some of your engineering secrets?
Well, all our engineering is confidential and a secret, and we can't share that. But just kidding aside, actually, it's very standard engineering practices that we deal with, and a lot of that is just day-to-day improvements, hard work, building something and improving on it every time afterwards. Just about everything that we do is fairly custom. We don't do a lot of the same thing twice, and part of that is our fault, that we want to constantly improve from one dispenser, one valve panel, one compressor package to the next. So getting them installed in the field, hands-on, staying close to them, will really give us, that's our engineering background. I mean, that's what we do is constantly improve to give something more efficient and better to the customer the next time.
Is CNG Source more focused on performance, quality, or cost?
Well, we're really not a mass producer. We're fairly custom shop, high engineering, so it is performance. Not a low cost product, but it is something that you'll see that we're very competitive in the market because of our in-house engineering, because of our in-house manufacturing. We can provide a product direct to the station owner, the end user, at a very competitive price.
Doug, who are your competitors?
Really, our competitors are really just ourselves. We compete amongst ourselves every day to challenge ourselves, to improve and to make our products and services better.
What makes CNG Source the best CNG solution providers in the U.S. market?
I think probably our capabilities of integrating the whole system. It's very difficult to even integrate a card reader and a dispenser from a communication standpoint and providing that end of point of use sale on a public fueling station. So I mean, the integration of the system, and that integration goes back to our engineering capabilities, to be able to, in our testing capabilities, so that all this equipment works together, which is quite a bit more complex than just a standard petroleum fueling station.